I bet you didn't know LinkedIn is a secret goldmine for engagement in 2024. Let's unlock it. First up, LinkedIn. It's not just for job hunting anymore. Start posting insightful industry articles and engage in community discussions. You'll boost your visibility and credibility. Next, Twitter. Use Twitter Spaces to host live audio events. It's like having your own podcast. Engage with your audience in real time and watch your follower count soar. And don't forget Instagram. Reels are still king. Create short, snappy videos that showcase your brand's personality. Plus, use Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes content and polls to drive interaction. Here's a pro tip. Schedule your posts using tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. This keeps your content consistent and frees up your time to engage with your audience. Remember, social media is all about connection. Be authentic, respond to comments, and join conversations in your niche. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these hacks today and watch your social media presence explode in 2024.